I'm bald.
Alright, look.
I'm bald-headed. I have hair, I'm not bald-headed.
Okay, shut up. This is gonna be a voiceover. Should it be a voiceover or should it just talk? I don't want to be in the camera and look like this, but you know. Okay, should it be a voiceover or should I just talk?
Just talk.
Nice. Okay, so this hair is from View Fox. It's their Malaysian. It's their Malaysian water wave lace front. It is in the color 1B, and oh my god, Naya messed me up. So now, as you can see, I'm talking about the lace right here. I did add that little band. The lace was a pretty good lace. It's pretty transparent once you like glue it down, and it also came with baby hairs, so that's pretty lit. But back to the head while I'm doing her head, okay? So this is the Malaysian Water Wave lace front. Like I said, it does come with baby hair. It is in the color 1B, and it's 22 inches. Like, it was long.
Ew.
Should I lay it down first, then cut it? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I cannot wait till my hair this long again.
It's cute.
It is.
I mean, it is cute.
It is really cute.
Yeah, I actually like that hair better than the curly one at the house. Because those are like looser curls.
Okay, so now we have the Got To Be glue, and we're just gonna start putting that on my hairline. And it's pretty cold. And deja vu. I'm confused.
Okay, so I put the free spray on her hairline because I feel like it looks a little better if you like spray it on, then put the lace over, and then like blow dry it down on cool air. Okay, use cool on your blow dryer so it doesn't mess the hair up and it doesn't leave it white when you do it this way. Okay, just follow my lead. It's pretty simple. So as you can see, I'm like pushing it down, and then I'm gonna get the blow dryer and blow dry on cool air, high temperature, and just like melt the lace. I'm kind of mad because I left my rat tail comb, and that's why I'm just pushing it down with my fingers. It works better with a comb, like to push it down. But yeah, that's that, and that's what we're doing. And Naya, look at your face.
I look so, oh my goodness.
Now that we got it laid down and my beard looking like a mullet queen,
Fairly
okay,
secure, you feel me?
it
No
is
slip
fully
back
at all. We're gonna get the scissors. I use these scissors for my eyebrows. Those are my eyebrow scissors.
She cut my head with them.
No, I didn't.
Yes, she did.
So I'm going to be cutting lace at the hairline in a zigzag type of motion. If you cut your lace like directly across, that's what makes it look more wiggish. So you do want to cut it. That's not funny. I'm actually giving them tips. It's so true.
Okay.
So a freaking hairstylist told me that, so let me just explain. So you want to just cut it like zigzag motion so it looks more natural. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I just go back and Got To Be glue, freeze it down on the parts that are lifting up. And then I'm going to blow dry it. And then the lace is going to melt, y'all. Like, it literally melted.
It was beautiful.
Am I cutting you?
You most likely are, because them fucking scissors are sharp as hell.
Well, why aren't you telling me that I'm cutting your face? What? Who doesn't tell me? Like,
I can take the pain.
I'm just over here chopping, and I'm like, am I cutting you? Yeah, bro, I don't believe it. It's cool.
It is. You gotta get the views, okay? The views. No, I won't. Because you know what I'm gonna be? A girl with no edges. And you can't make it that far in life with no edges, okay? Oh!
Oh, where'd it go? It's not there. Ooh, that's kind of nice. Wait a minute, let me get you in. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm just going over and laying it down. I did end up spraying it across the whole hairline to make sure it was secure, and if somebody tried to snatch her wig, it ain't going nowhere.
It ain't moving.
So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm just like pressing it down with the scissors because I didn't have my comb. So that's that.
Ooh, I look, I'm glowing. Look.
The hair is really nice. There is some things I do have to say about the hair, so just wait on it. But we about to start talking right now, so I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. So as y'all can see on this side,
Wet lace.
it's gone.
Wet lace.
And when I swoop the baby hairs down, like it's gone.
What?
Okay, so what I had to say about the hair, it is pretty good hair and it is human hair. And then at the end of the video, you're going to see I do apply some conditioner and water. Oh, I did end up taking her eyebrow off right here. But I end up putting conditioner and water and it like, oh, it was beautiful. But I do have to say, this didn't come like pre-plucked. And I didn't really want to take the time to do that here. So if you like pluck it yourself, it will be bomb, okay?
Okay, so now I'm laying down the baby's hair. Oh, the baby hairs. I didn't have like got to be glue or like boho glue. Not boho. Whoa. So I just used my eco styler and some water and just laid them. Just laid them down. Don't talk about the edges. Deja did not pluck the hairline, so I had to do what I had to do. I know they look like baby doll hair edges, but it's okay. We're cooling and.
Yeah, if I would have pre-plucked the hair, it would have been bomb because it will make it look more natural. But you slayed those baby hairs. Like,
I know how to do edges. Let me tell you.
They look real nice.
Hospitality.
Oh my god. Okay, we doing so much talking. Okay, I'm going to let Naya give you guys some whatevers about the hair.
Okay, so, the hair is pretty nice. It doesn't shed as much.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's another. Yeah, it really did not shed at all. As you can see, we're applying water, and then I kind of gave up with the spray bottle. They did send that spray bottle, so I made her just get up and wet her hair. Y'all, this is the conditioner I use, okay? That's the conditioner I use for my curls. Everybody be asking how my curls get popping. Aussie Moist.
Ow. But look at me.
Ooh, the hair. You see how when you wet the hair and add some conditioner, if I had mousse, it would be way better because it would hold like that all day. Although she did wear the hair for the whole day, and honestly, it looked just like this by the end of the day when you took it off. Like it dried like that, those curls. So yeah, the hair is pretty good. And if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave the link down below at the top of the description. As you can see, y'all see that? And it's long.
Get at your sis. Not them edges though.
Love you. Summer hair should pop it or whatever. You guys want to go test this hair out for yourself. I will leave a link down below, so make sure you hit it up. Follow Naya Yall. You want to do my outro because I look sick right now?
I forgot it. What is it?
And on that note.
Oh. And on that note, bye!
You messed up.
Oh shit, okay.
And on that note.
And on that note.
We love you guys. I love you guys.
And on that note, I love you guys.
Redo.